Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick 5-minute warm-up. You can use these exercises before any workout. We're going to do 5 exercises, 1 minute on each exercise. All right, before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get into the workout. Starting off, we're going to do some neck rolls. Hands are up here, head down, side to the middle, side. We're going to be here for 1 minute. Let me put my timer on. It's actually really easy to strain your neck if you don't loosen it up. We carry a lot of tension in our upper shoulders and our neck right here because that's where most of us have stress. So getting this area warmed up is really beneficial, especially if you're going to be doing exercises where you have tension on your neck. So keeping your neck propped forward in any exercises, even squats. So really roll it out. Let your neck hang when you get to the center, nice and neutral. And bring it up. It feels really good on the sides, you guys. Told me that you fell apart, but you walked past me like I wasn't there, and just pretended like you didn't care. I don't know why I run away. I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Take me back, 'cause I wanna stay. Save your tears for another. Save your tears for another day. We're gonna do one and take it back a little farther, but don't do a full circle, and then bring it back forward and almost, and bring that back forward. I do not like to go all the way around with my neck. I hate the way it makes my spine feel. I don't know about you guys, but not a fan. Moving into our next exercise, we're gonna do full scoops with a squat. So we're gonna go ahead, scoop and squat, scoop and squat. This is really getting our arms into motion as well as our legs warmed up. Almost like a softball pitcher, right? It's a great full body warm up. You can hear my shoulders popping.
They look so pretty. Mama said, son, 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 son. You're gonna grow up, you're gonna get old. All that glitter don't turn to gold. But until then, just have your fun. Boy, run, 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 run. Yeah, run, run, run. Run, run, run. Yeah, run, run, run. Run, run, run.
3, 2, 1. Great job. Go ahead and take a wide stance. We're gonna be doing side lunges, but not all the way. Hand is coming to the knee, almost like an assisted lunge, okay? And we're there. We're gonna go here for a minute. Really widen up those legs. You're gonna feel a really good stretch right here. You're also gonna feel a good stretch in your quads. Don't be afraid to take a larger stance. Keep your back nice and straight. Now we're not going to do any jumping today. But you can move a little bit faster. So instead of taking a break here and then coming down, you can just move in from side to side, depending on what you want. Great job.
Next exercise, we're gonna do clap high knees. So no jumping, we're not doing these, we're just gonna be going here to here. Get those arms up in between. Get that blood circulating, that blood flow.
Shining bright, you like Rihanna now. Always be absent, come on Mars. Oh girl, we notice your body, the coldest. Everybody fall in love, fall in love. I'm the rolling stone, baby, come on. Tell me what you like every night. Girl, I know you got your own, but you could be mine. You got the lifestyle. Everybody knows. Diamonds, they got nothing on you. We got the lifestyle. Darling, darling bills. Baby, would you take my You got the lifestyle. Everybody knows. Diamonds, they got nothing on you. We got the lifestyle.
Great job. Our last exercise, we're gonna be doing arm swings and kick backs. So swing your arms together and kick your legs back just like this. This is how it looks. Okay, 1 minute here, and this is our last minute, you guys. Let's get it. Really kick your legs back though. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but don't kick your wall like me. My legs are too long for this. So I have good news, you guys. I'm gonna be updating my website and building programs for us. I'm excited. I have a lot of good things in the mix. Okay, you guys, get it. Get it. Swing those arms. Kick those legs up. That is it, you guys. 5 minutes, easy. My whole body is nice and warm. Now I'm ready to go for a run or get my workout in, whatever it is. Use this quick 5-minute workout before any routine. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.